Good morning guys. Today I'm really excited to bring you another unboxing. This time is the Cortec 10 series supercar charger with retractable cable. The model number is CC903P. I bought this charger from Taobao, China for only $17 including shipping, which is actually a very good price for a 100-watt car charger. I've been looking for a retractable car charger for quite a while. I originally found one from Anker with a 75 watt, but then I saw this Cortec version offering up to 100 watt, and it was also a bit cheaper, so I decided to give it this one a try. So today we'll unbox it, take a closer look at the design and test it with some of my device. Okay. So overall, as always, from Cortec, black skin, nothing else, very clean, and you can see 100 watt max charging. The model number is CC903P. Okay, so let's see what inside. Cortec doesn't like paper. As you can see, that's all, no paper. Okay, here is the charger itself. It's very light. I'm surprised how lightweight it is. If compared to the my Anker one, my Anker feel a little bit heavier. Okay. This charger belongs to the new Cortec 10 series, which is still quite new. You may not easily find it outside China yet, because I believe Cortec released this series first for the mainland China market. Okay, and inside the box, as you can see, we get the car charger itself, and everything is already integrated, including the retractable cable. This charger comes in a titanium gray color, which look very premium. It also uses a V0 grade fire retardant material, which is actually the highest level of flame resistant used in many electronic. On the side, you get also the anti-slip texture. As you can see closer. Okay, all the anti-slip texture, the Cortec logo, and two Type C and one A. Okay. So it have improved grip when inserted or removing this charger from the car socket. This charger is also fully compatible with both 12 volt and 24 volt vehicle. So it works with normal car, SUV, and even truck. Okay. And in terms of connectivity, this charger features a two USB C port, okay, and one USB A port, so you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. One of the best feature is the 70 centimeter retractable USB-C cable, which help ensure reduce a cable clutter inside the car. And when you finish using it, the cable automatically retract back into the charger and keeping everything clean and organized. Okay, and you finish, it hold it back. Okay, so it's very easy, and then boom. Okay, it also magnetic. Okay, and another very useful feature is the LED digital display, and it can show a car battery voltage and the charging power output. With the battery voltage information, you can quickly monitor the health status of your car battery, which is actually very helpful during long drive. Now let's talk about the charging performance. This charger offers a maximum output of 100 watt. I offer you the power output on the screen, so you can pause the video if you wish to read it. If you use the retractable cable alone, it can deliver up to 90 watt fast charging, which is powerful enough to charge devices like a Xiaomi 17 Pro, the Redmi K80 Pro, or Xiaomi Pad 7S Pro. When using multiple ports simultaneously, the total power output can still reach 100 watt combined. The retractable cable itself can provide around 60 to 65 watt, which means you can even charge a laptop like MacBook, your Lenovo Yoga, ThinkPad, Dell XPS, Microsoft Surface Pro, or Surface Laptop. This charger also supports many fast charging protocols, such as Power Delivery 3.0, PPS, Quick Charge 3.0, or SCP from Huawei. So it's compatible with a wide range of devices such as an iPhone, Samsung, up to 45 watt, or you can charge with a Nintendo Switch, a camera, gimbal, tablet, and laptop. So you can charge almost everything in your car. Okay, and the cockpit also added the dual temperature control and 7 layers of safety protection. So according to the manufacturer, the charger perform a 306,000 temperature check per hour, ensuring a safe operation even during a high power charging. So you can feel safe using it in your car. So now let's test it with some of my device. I'll try charging my Anker power bank, my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and my Surface Pro 9. Okay, let's see how much power we can get from this charger. Okay guys, here the testing of the Cocktail car charger series. Okay, as you can see, when you're not yet charging anything, it shows the battery voltage of your car, which in this case my Toyota Race is around 12 volt car. Okay, and now let's test it with my various device. First I want to try with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Okay, here my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's test it. Okay, and since I almost charged my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, show the wattage maybe a lot lower, but however, as you can see, once you plug in the device, it's changed from the battery voltage of the car into the watt power output. Okay, which in this case is around 8 watt. Okay, so I mean let's test the other device to show its real performance. Okay, here is my Anker power bank. Okay, let's test it. Okay, here you go. I think this is going to show the right wattage. Okay, as you can see, full 60 watt. Okay, and this max power band input and output is around 60 to 67 watt. So this charger can fully charge this big power bank in max speed. Okay, so let's test with my Surface Pro 9. Okay, similar to the first case, my Surface Pro 9 is already charged, but however I try to use it using the best performance mode to see how the surface full. Okay, now it goes. Okay, here you go, it's full almost over 50 watt. Okay, and there is no error on the error or like a charging or voltage problem on my Surface Pro 9. As you can see, the battery charge as like the original charger of my Surface. So just like advertised, you can properly use your laptop in your car using this charger. Overall, for only $17, I think this is a very impressive car charger. You get a maximum 100 watt fast charging, a retractable USB-C cable, 3 charging port, digital voltage display, and a multiple fast charging protocol, advanced safety protection. So if you're looking for a powerful and a clean car setup, this could be a very interesting option. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this unboxing, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any question or thought about this charger. And if you want to see more tech unboxing and gadget review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.